You are now watching Doorbell News.
Sacramento, California. I think this lady needs to control her emotions. This woman is apparently upset with someone, and she's taking it out on their car. She appears to be a psychopath.
I'm calling. Fuck away. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. The police are on their way. Come here right now. You fucking come here now. Face me like a woman, you fucking pussy shit. You want to go after kids? You want to go after children? I'm gonna take you out. The police are on their way. I've warned them. I have bail money. Come out here now. Oh, I'm coming to get you. You come after children? Little girl?
Private property, I'm calling the police right now.
A burglar is caught in the act. Looks like he's carrying chain cutters. Dallas, Texas. This woman is dressed in activewear and she's just going around jogging, stealing packages. Some people just can't help themselves. They just want to steal something. They get some type of cheap thrill out of it. That's called a kleptomaniac. The stealing thing isn't a poor thing and it's not a race thing. Some people just like to steal. They can have the money for it, but they just want to steal. Look at this guy. He's trying to get into someone's house. This is really creepy. It's about 4 a.m. and this guy's creeping in someone's backyard. He has some sort of turban wrapped around his head. Creepy stuff. Atlanta, Georgia. A doorknob wiggler pops up at someone's house at 3:46 in the morning. Looks like she tried to open the door. She looks around very suspiciously. And then she taps on the door and walks off. Real fishy. It's a hot summer day in Dallas, Texas. And somebody comes by to take a little swim and cool off. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Another doorknob wiggler gets caught in the act. He tries to gain entry to a man's home once he leaves. But his roommate was still home and confronts him.
What are you doing? Oh, did you?
Albuquerque, New Mexico. This Pepe Le Pew guy comes by a man's house and walks by his door and does some type of tongue motion and then walks off. This guy's a creep. Get lost. Dallas, Texas. Your bikes are not safe. You better make sure you take the tire off your bike or something before you chain it up because bikes are commonly stolen. These guys got wire cutters and everything. Another couple of bike thieves in Albuquerque, New Mexico. A male and a female duo decide to steal 2 bikes that they see unchained at the side of someone's house. Looks like nice bikes too. Albuquerque, New Mexico. A man is seen walking around with what looks like an assault rifle in his hand. Let's hope that's one of those jail shooters and that's not a real AR-15. This is creepy stuff. Portland, Oregon. Another doorknob wiggler is seen creeping around somebody's house in the middle of the day. He looks around very suspiciously and he looks like he's up to no good. He walks off and looks out for the neighbors. A few seconds later, he's seen running off in a panic. Get lost, creep. Portland, Oregon. I don't know who this guy thinks he is. He has some sort of Ghostbusters backpack on his back. I don't know what it is. What is that, like some type of plasma pack to kill ghosts or something? I don't know what's up with this guy, but he needs to get lost. Get lost, Ghostbuster. Chicago, Illinois. A scumbag kicks in an elderly woman's door and robs her home. He walks up to the door. He first wiggles the doorknob, and then he's seen kicking down the door to gain entry. About an hour later, after making sure the coast is clear, he comes back with a few accomplices. Where junkies prowl with a tiger's growl in search of that much-needed blow. Where wineheads cringe on a canned heat binge and find their graves in the snow. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.